What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dipped in Black, also named as Kettle, and today we're going to be working with Crayola markers versus the creative alcohol markers. Alright, so first up is the Crayola markers. Y'all don't judge me, but my Crayola markers are a little bit dried down, a little bit dry, and I didn't have the materials to pretty much give them life again, so I went ahead and just started this process just to see how well I can get the design to look with the Crayola markers. So I never really mastered the art of markers, Crayola markers specifically, so I'm not too sure how I'm supposed to blend Crayola markers, and I'm using regular printer paper. So one, I already know that's a problem. My art friends out there, I already know. So I am literally trying to figure out how am I going to blend these markers, add depth and perception in any form or way, or just try to make this look more like a professional painting or, markering with these markers. Also, the Crayola markers that I do have, I have the normal colors and I have a little bit of like the pastel colors, so that's where you see the pink coming in for the ears. For the alcohol markers, they are designed by the company The Creative. I ended up finding these at Burlington Company randomly, and I was like, let me try these out. These might actually be pretty okay. And this is my very first time ever reviewing them or ever testing them out, and I only had the 12 pack, so the colors are very limited. Next time I'm gonna see if I can get the 48 pack so I can do a lot more shading, highlighting, and actually making this look really nice. It says that it blends really well, but these markers are very strong and they kind of bleed through regular printing paper. I do love that they provided at least 2 color gradients of each color, like one light blue, one dark blue, one light green, one dark green, so forth. So it actually is a pretty nice color palette. Alright, you guys, this is the end result. Thank you all for watching. The color page that I am using is from Kawaii coloring pages. If you want to look it up, I'll probably put a link down below in the description box for this coloring book. Also, if you liked today's episode, hit the like button. If you are new here, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell as well so you can get notified every time that I post. And we'll be doing a lot more challenges like this, so don't be afraid to stop on by. Alright, you guys, see you in the next one. Later.